Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to save 5 videos in the draft section at the same time on Facebook Creator Studio using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Facebook, as well as a like page and 5 videos that we have recently uploaded to the account. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Facebook Creator Studio. Wait for that to load, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Then what you would need to do is go to Content. Wait for that to load. Go to Create Post, and then bulk upload 5 videos at the same time. You can then go to Add Videos and then select the videos you wish to upload. Once you've done that, you should see all 5 videos uploaded to 100%. And then if I were to, let's just say, click on Publish, all these videos will be published at the same time. However, in this tutorial, we are looking to save every video as a draft, and then click on Update for every single video. Once we have done that, we will then click on Publish, and these videos would all be saved as a draft for us to then come back later and re-edit the video before we publish to the whole world. So we can now click on Done. It says here your bulk uploading is processing. Your videos will be shared based on your selected publishing options. Click on Done. We would then be redirected to the draft section within Facebook Creator Studio, Content, Post and Reels. Go to Published. Go back to Drafts. And then we have it, those 5 videos uploaded as part of Save to Draft on Facebook Creator Studio using a Mac computer. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.